I'm going to take you through a cardio workout, hopefully get your heart rate up and have a little bit of fun. Little bounce, up.
Take it round to the left.
I've basically gone for something really, really simple. I don't think I would describe it as cooking, it's probably more preparation. I love Greek salads. Let's start with the cucumber. Is this right, Alice? Am I doing okay? Yes, she's nodding. And then I break them up into quarters.
So this is the ingredients for the dish.
So in here I've got the gnocchi, the frozen peas and the broccoli, and I'm frying that. Then I'm going to add the spinach.
Here they are, fresh out the oven, my homemade chocolate brownies.
Rocket Man. I love, love, love Elton John.
A comedy TV show that I've been watching. It's something called Please Like Me. You can find it on Amazon Prime. It's just an Aussie comedy. It's really silly, easy watching.
A TV series that I'm really into that I would totally recommend is Peaky Blinders.
The books that I'm reading at the moment are a lot of Julia Donaldson books and children's books. So they are keeping us all entertained at the moment.